Okay, good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed till esophagus, right? In the GIT tract. So, in the esophagus, what did you find? In the esophagus, you found that it was the connection. It is the connection in between your mouth till the stomach, is it? So, when the esophagus, when the food bolus will come, okay, downside, it will come directly to the esophagus. Okay, this is the esophagus and this is your stomach. Okay, so before entering the stomach, this lower esophagus sphincter it will open. Okay, and it will go to the stomach. I mean the food bolus, no? Means time. It will go to this stomach. Okay, then afterwards where it will go? As the food will go, it will pass. It will try to go out. Okay, which is known as pyloric sphincter. Okay, this is known as the pyloric sphincter, the ending part or the bottom part you can say, or the bottom part is known as the pyloric sphincter. Okay, did you understand? The first part is the lower esophageal sphincter from where the food bolus or else the chyme will enter and it will go straight into the stomach. And after entering the stomach, it will go towards this side, pyloric sphincter. Okay, and it will go down. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand sphincter? Sphincter means what? Opening means it will open. It will automatically open. Okay, naturally it will.
Ma'am, can you explain again the stomach?
Stomach. Okay. In the stomach, you can see. You remember, no? In the from the esophagus, food bolus or else chyme. You remember, no?
Hmm.
Yes, this one. See, it's coming. It's going. Okay, the food bolus is
Esophagus.
going towards this side. Okay, then when it will go, it will go to the lower esophageal sphincter. Means this is the esophagus. This is still the esophagus. Okay. And as the food goes, it will open. Okay. That is where. What is the name of that gateway or the pathway?
Lower
Lower esophageal sphincter. It will open. Okay. The opening of the gate or the pathway is known as orifice. You remember, no? Orifice. So it will open, and after it opens, it will go towards the stomach. It is in the stomach remaining, you can say. Okay. And as it will go, the food will pass through this side, which is known as the pyloric sphincter, where the food again it will get close automatically. Again, it will get close. Okay. Means it goes down.
Uh,
समझ में आया?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. स्टमक में क्या देखने को मिलेगा जब ये फूड बोलस या चाइम ना इसोफेगस के नीचे जब आएगा, लोअर इसोफेगस स्फिंक्टर अपने आप खोलेगा. ठीक है, खोलने के बाद स्टमक पर चला जाएगा. उसके बाद स्टमक पे जाने के बाद पाइलोरिक स्फिंक्टर पे फिर से मतलब जाएगा इसके द्वारा. ठीक है. So in this stomach, what you will get? You will get the stomach is J shape. Okay, J, the letter J. And it is a muscular sac, means it is made up of muscles. Okay, it is made up of muscles. And you will see that this stomach, it has inner folds. Inner folds means what? Inner lining or else inner layers, you can say, which is known as raphe. RUGAE. Okay, means lining, this lining part. Can you see it or not? This lining part in the stomach. This is known as raphe. Okay, this is known as raphe. And as you consume food, as you have something, okay, your stomach will increase in size, isn't it? Means if you eat something, obviously your stomach will come out, isn't it? So it will depend upon the quantity of how much you consume. Okay. तो ये स्टमक जे शेप का है, ठीक है, जे शेप. और ये मस्कुलर सैक है, मतलब मसल से बनाया है. ओके, और ये स्टमक मतलब ये लेयर्स है, स्टमक के अंदर लेयर्स है या फिर लाइनिंग भी बोल सकते हो. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रफे. ठीक है, रफे, RUGAE, रफे, इसको रफे बोलते हैं. और क्या होगा जब जब तुम मतलब कुछ खाओगे खाना या जो भी खाओगे तब मतलब तुम्हारा स्टमक मतलब अपने आप इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज होगा ये क्योंकि तुम कुछ खा रहे हो है कि नहीं. So it will
हाँ
depend on that. Okay, function. What is the function of stomach? The stomach performs mechanical digestion. Means it will work in such a way that it is like mechanical. Okay, so how will it work? Let's see. By turning the bolus and mixing it with the gastric juice secreted by the lining to the of the stomach. Means what? Means as the food or else the food bolus or else the chyme enters in the stomach, what happens? In this stomach, you will find some gastric juice. Okay, in this stomach, you will find some gastric juice, and the name of those gastric juice are HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay, so you will find some salts, you will find some enzymes, and you will find some water, you will find some mucus. Okay, so this HCl, that is the hydrochloric, what will it do? The function of this hydrochloric acid, they will help. Okay, they will help the food bolus. Okay, now they will have the food bolus to break down into smaller pieces, and they will kill all the bacteria. Okay, whatever is coming from there, they will kill all the bacteria. Understand? And afterwards the food will be now called as chyme, chyme, chyme. Before it was food bolus, remembered or not? From the esophagus, when it was coming towards the stomach, it was food bolus, remembered. But now as the food will go towards the side, it will now turn as chyme, chyme, chyme. Understand? I'll repeat again. As the food enters, okay, as the food enters towards this esophagus, it is the lower esophageal sphincter, it will go towards the stomach or else stomach lining. Okay, so you can say raphe also. Okay, so as the food enters, what happens here? There is some gastric juice near stomach. Okay, so some of the gastric juice you can find such as hydrochloric acid, you'll find some salts, you'll find some enzymes, okay, you'll find some water and mucus. And what will happen here? Here you will find that this HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, they will help the food to break down into smaller pieces. Okay, they will help the food to break down into smaller pieces, and ultimately they will kill all the bacteria which is coming along with the food. Okay, bacteria like means whatever is harmful for your body. Okay, it will kill it. They will kill it, and now the food bolus. Okay, and now the food bolus will turn into chyme, chyme, chyme. ठीक है. सो जब इसोफेगस से ये फूड आएगा मतलब फूड बोलस कहाँ पे आएगा? लोअर इसोफेगल स्फिंक्टर. ठीक है, लोअर इसोफेगल स्फिंक्टर में अपने आप खुल जाएगा. खोलने के बाद कहा जाएगा? स्टमक पे चला जाएगा. क्या स्टमक में क्या है? लाइनिंग या फिर लेयर्स भी बोलते हो, उसको रफे बोल सकते हो. जब अंदर आएगा क्या होगा? स्टमक के अंदर गैस्ट्रिक जूस है. ठीक है, गैस्ट्रिक जूस जैसे कि HCl, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, वाटर, एंजाइम्स, म्यूकस, ये सब मिलेगा, सॉल्ट्स, ये सब मिलेगा. और इसके बाद क्या करेगा? यहाँ पे उसका काम शुरू करेगा. कैसे शुरू करेगा? ये HCl, ठीक है, ये HCl खाने को छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में कर देता है. ठीक है, ब्रेक डाउन इनटू स्मॉलर पीसेस. और उसके बाद क्या करेगा? जो सारे बैक्टीरिया है जो हमारे शरीर के लिए हानिकारक है, मतलब अच्छे नहीं है, वो सब मतलब मार देगा उसको. ठीक है, तो ये फूड बोलस अभी चाइम बन जाएगा, CHYME, चाइम. ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? Do you understand?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now the food is going towards the small intestine. Okay, now the food from the stomach will go to the small intestine. This is the small intestine. Okay, so small intestine, you can see that it is divided into three parts. Okay, the first one is the duodenum, the second is the jejunum, and the third is the ileum. Okay, small intestine is divided into three parts. The first is the duodenum, the second is the jejunum, and the third is the ileum. तो ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. ठीक है, एक है डियोडेनम, दूसरा है जेजुनम और तीसरा है इलियम. ठीक है, so this small intestine you will see that they are 22 foot long or 22 feet long also you can say. ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन उसका लेंथ कितना है, कितना लंबा है, 22 फुट लॉन्ग. ठीक है, 22 feet long also you can say, and they are muscular tube. ओके, ये मसल से बनाया हुआ है, मसल टिश्यू, यू रिमेम्बर ना, मसल टिश्यू से बनाया हुआ है. सो दिस स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन यू कैन सी दैट it is divided into three parts. It is a duodenum, ileum, jejunum. Okay, and you will find that the length of the small intestine. Okay, the long means how much long the small intestine is. The length of the small intestine is how much? 22 foot long. Okay, and you will find this small intestine in the central part of your abdomen. Okay, central part of your abdomen, that means middle part of your abdomen. Abdomen means stomach part. Okay, lower part in the right side. Okay, in the right side you will find. Okay, so this small intestine, the three parts, it has got different functions. Okay, first is the duodenum. This duodenum, what will they do? They will absorb food. Okay, means they will, wait, I'll show you. This duodenum, you remember now which one, which is the first one, which you get in the small intestine. What will they do? They will, they are responsible for continuous breakdown process. They will continuously break down the food. Okay, that is a time they will continuously break down so that they will make into smaller particles. Okay, and the second one, that is the ileum and the jejunum. What will they do? They will absorb the nutrients, okay, which is coming from the duodenum. They will absorb it, and after absorbing, where they will go? They will supply it into their bloodstream. Okay, they will supply to their bloodstream. Okay, did you understand about small intestine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, do you understand? You means this small intestine is divided into three parts. I'll repeat again. There is the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. And the length of the small intestine is how much? 22 feet long. Okay, and they are convoluted. Convoluted means what? Means they are twisted. They are not straight. They are twisted. You can, as from the picture itself, you can just see they are twisted, convoluted. They are convoluted tube, and they are made up of muscles. Okay, and in the duodenum, what will you see? That is the first part of the small intestine. You will see that they will continuously break down the food. Okay, and in the second and the third one, what you will see, that is the jejunum and the ileum, you will see that they will absorb. Okay, they will absorb all the nutrients and they will supply it into your bloodstream. Okay, so shall we move to the next part? Okay, next is your pancreas. This is your pancreas. Okay, so this is your pancreas, and this pancreas, what do they do? They will secrete. Okay, they will secrete digestive enzyme. Okay, can you hear me, students? Can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the pancreas. Okay, so their pancreas is just like a leaf, L-E-A-F. Okay, पत्ता का जैसा है. Okay, from the picture itself you can just see. Okay, so this pancreas, what will they do? They will secrete digestive enzyme. Okay, and they will secrete digestive enzyme into where? Into the duodenum. You remember not duodenum, which was in the small intestine? You remember or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So this
Yes, yes.
pancreas, okay. So this pancreas, they will secrete digestive enzyme and they will go into your duodenum, which is the small intestine. Okay, the first part of the small intestine. And what will they do there? They will break down. What they will break down? They will break down like protein, like fats, like carbohydrates. They will break down all those things. Okay. So this I'll repeat again. This pancreas, it will secrete digestive enzyme. Okay, and it will go into the duodenum. Duodenum is in the small intestine. That is in first part of the small intestine. And where here, what will you get? You will get that we will break down into. It will break down such as what? Such as protein. Okay,
Protein,
protein you will
fat,
get in. Yeah,
carbohydrates.
protein where you will get like egg. Okay, fish. All this you will get. Fats like what? Fats like maybe butter, okay, and fats of the meat, all those things. Okay, carbohydrates like where you will get in bread, you'll get in rice, you'll get in potato, all this. Okay, so it will help in that. The first one. Okay, the second one, what you will get, the pancreas also makes insulin. Okay, so this pancreas, they also secrete insulin. So, so what is this insulin? This insulin they help in metabolizing sugar, means balancing your sugar level. Okay, this insulin they helps you in balancing the sugar level. So this bile they secrete it. Okay, they produce it, they make it. Okay, so did you understand about pancreas?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Okay, pancreas. You can see that the pancreas they secrete okay digestive enzyme, and those digestive enzyme they will go into the duodenum which you will find in the small intestine. Wait, I'll show you. You remember now duodenum, this one, small intestine. Okay,
Yes,
this
yes, ma'am.
pancreas, duodenum, they will go here, and after going here, what will they do? They will release digestive enzyme and they will break down what they will break down. Some proteins, some carbohydrates, some fats, they will break down
Fats.
here. Yeah, they will
Hmm.
break down. And uh, what is the second one? The second one is that they will they will make insulin, means they will secrete insulin, this pancreas. And this insulin is for what? This insulin is for metabolizing sugar level. Okay, they helps in maintaining your sugar level in your body. Okay, so this diabetes patient, you can see in the diabetes patient they give insulin or not? You know, no? Insulin. Yes, their pen.
Where pancreas sit
Uh-huh.
located?
Ma'am,
Ye-
deficiency of insulin cause diabetes.
Yes, they, no, means low. Their insulin level is very low. That's why they are
Yes.
having diabetes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
where
on
is
this,
it located?
it's located
Yes.
here only. Wait, I'll show you. Here, this side. Can you see
Leaf
this,
like
Surajit?
Yes,
Surajit, can
ma'am,
you see?
yes.
Yeah, this. Just behind the stomach.
pancreas leaf like structure.
Yes, yes, leaf.
Okay, ma'am.
I already told you. It's like a leaf only. Okay, did you get it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's nearby your stomach. Okay. Okay. Next, liver. I guess you all remembered. I have already discussed in your practical class also this liver. Okay, liver is here. So the liver, you can see that it is the second largest organ in your human body. Okay, second largest, and if you see from the largest gland. Okay, so this is the largest gland in the human body, and the weight of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
liver is how much? 1,500 gram.
Yes.
Okay, 1,500 gram.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the liver, you remember, no, it is divided into how many lobes? How many lobes?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 4.
Four, no?
4.
Okay. Wait, I'll show you.
Left side.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is divided into how many lobes?
4
4.
lobes.
Four lobes. Okay, not three. The first one is what? Left,
Right lobe.
right, quadrant lobe, and
Crowded love.
caudate lobe. Okay, so these are the four lobes which you will find in the liver. Lobes, you can also say division or parts. You can say the parts of the liver. You can say. Okay, it is divided into four lobes. The first one is left, right, okay, caudate, quadrant. Okay, are you clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So the liver, it has got functions. Okay.
Yes.
So this liver, which okay. So liver, it has got functions, and you will find that the first function of the liver is what? They will absorb all the nutrients which is from the small intestine. Okay, you remember the small intestine? So they
Yes,
will
ma'am.
absorb it. All the nutrients which is coming from the small intestine, the liver, they will absorb it. Okay, they will take it. Absorb means they will take it. Okay, and the
Okay, ma'am.
second one is what? This liver, no, they will secrete bile, bile, bile.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and this bile, what will they do? This bile, they helps in what? They helps in digesting your fats, whatever fats you are having. Okay, they will help in
Yes.
digesting the fats as well as some vitamins. Okay, they will help in digesting the fats as well as some vitamins. This bile, the liver, they will secrete bile juice. You can say bile juice, and this bile, what will they do? They will help in digesting the fats and some vitamins. Okay, and the third function of the liver is what? Is that they will detoxify harmful chemicals. Detoxify means what? They will clean. They will clean
Cleaning.
all the unwanted particles. Okay, which is harmful for your body, which is toxic for your body. Toxic means what? Which is poisonous, which is not good
Yes.
for your body. Okay, so
Okay,
these are
ma'am.
the three. Okay, are you clear, everyone, about the function of the liver?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Liver, what do they secrete?
Bile juice.
Bile juice. And this bile juice, what will they do?
They digest fat and
Did
some proteins.
Okay. And the liver is also useful for detoxification. Detoxification means like Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is gallbladder.
Gall-
This is gallbladder. Okay. What is this gallbladder? The gallbladder, they will store. Okay, and they will store and concentrate the bile juice. Remember now, which is coming from the liver. The liver secretes bile juice, produce bile juice. So this gallbladder, what will they do? They will handle it. Okay, they will adjust. They will adjust it. You can say they will store and they will concentrate bile. Concentrated bile means what? They will make it pure. You can say. Okay. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Okay. This liver, no, means they secrete bile. Okay, and this gallbladder, what will they do? They will store and they will concentrate. They will make concentrated bile. Okay, and they will release. Okay, and they will release to where? And they will release into the duodenum. Okay, duodenum, you remember, na, small intestine, which helps in absorbing what? Which helps in absorbing and also digest fats. Okay, okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the liver, they secrete bile. Remember
Yes.
now? And this bile, they will go where? They will go into this gallbladder. And this
Yes.
gallbladder, what will they do? They will store, they will store the bile juice and they will make it concentrate. And where it will go again? They will go into the duodenum. That is the first part of the small intestine. And in the duodenum, what will they do? They will help in absorbing the fats and also digesting the fats. Okay, so did you understand about gallbladder, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last is the large intestine. Okay, this is the last part of the GI tract. It is the large intestine. Okay, so in the large intestine, also known as colon, colon, colon. Okay, so what will they do? They will remove all the waste particles. Okay, now is the time for the stool to come out. Stool, you know, na stool, STOOL, stool.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now is the time for the stool to come out. So what will they do? This colon, their main job or their main work is now they will clean everything. It is coming straight from the mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, means everywhere. Okay, now they will do their work now. Okay, and um, you will see that means they will make it empty now, everything. Okay, whatever you had, they will make it empty now. खाली कर देगा अभी. Okay. Or what you will find is large intestine. You will find that the large intestine is 6 foot long. Okay, the length of this large intestine, कितना लंबा है large intestine? 6 foot long. Okay, or you will find it is a muscular tube. It is made up of muscle and they are just like a tube. TUBE. Okay, and you will find that they connect the small intestine to the rectum. Rectum. Okay, so did you understand a little bit about
Yes, ma'am.
this? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this
Hello.
large intestine, you will find it is divided into 4 parts. The first one is cecum. Okay, then comes your ascending colon. This colon, it's of 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why it's said as 4. Okay, so colon, you see ascending colon. Okay, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon. So these are the 4 colons. Okay, so these are the 4 colons. The first one is the ascending transverse, descending, sigmoid. Okay, and lastly, rectum. And from your anus, the stool comes out. Okay, the latrine, you can say, it comes out finally. Okay, so now let's see cecum. This cecum, what it is, this cecum? The cecum is situated or located near the appendix. This is your appendix. Also, you can say it's vermiform appendix. Vermiform means what? They are thin and they are long. It means like this. They are thin, means this one. Okay, it is straight and it's long. So that's why this one is vermiform. So it is connected. It is situated near the appendix, or they are attached to the means vermiform appendix. Okay, and this colon, you can see that it is divided into four parts. The is ascending, transverse, descending, sigmoid. And what will they do? This colon, they will help in absorbing water. Okay, and they have, means inside this colon there's bacteria. Okay, so this bacteria, you can see that it is beneficial for your body. Okay, in what way it is beneficial for your body? Because this bacteria, they have some vitamins. Okay, like vitamin K contains. Vitamin K is there in this colon. Okay, and at last your rectum. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear about this large intestine?
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Last is the next is the rectum. Okay, means from the sigmoid colon, now it will come towards this rectum. So this rectum, what will you find? You will find that it is a straight, means it is straight, and they are 8-inch. Okay, the length of this rectum is 8-inch, which connects from the colon till your anus. Okay, from the colon till your anus, it lies in between those two parts. And the main function of the rectum is what? They will receive stool from the colon and it goes to the anus. Okay, are you clear about the rectum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, next is your anus. Here is the last part. As the stool is coming from the colon and passing towards the rectum, it will go to your anus. So the anus, it is, you'll find it is the last part of the digestive tract or else GI tract. Okay, and this anus is surrounded by a sphincter muscles. Sphincter, you remember, no? Means they automatically open and they are connected by, they are made by that sphincter muscles. And this sphincter, what will they do? They will help in coming out of the stool. Okay, means automatically they will just open, and as when you feel like passing stool, they will automatically open this sphincter, which is in the anus. And what it is an involuntary reflexivity means it is voluntary, you can say. Voluntary means what? They will which you can control. Okay, or otherwise if it was involuntary, you just remember involuntary means what? Means which you can't control. For example, your heart is beating. Okay, and whatever is happening or occurring inside, okay, means within yourself, that one is known as what? Involuntary. Voluntary means which you can what?
Ma'am, can you repeat the rectum?
This one, rectum. You'll find that they are straight. Okay, and you'll find that they are 8-inch. You'll find that they are 8-inch, and what is their main work? Their main work is that the stool, as it comes to this colon, they will come to this rectum, and afterwards it will go to the anus. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And the next is the anus. It is the last part. So in this anus, what happens? There is an sphincter. Okay, this sphincter helps in what opening. When you feel like passing stool, it will automatically open. But it means you can control. You can control it. It's not it. You can control or not. You can control or not your stool. I mean,
Yes,
up to
ma'am.
yes. So that one is known as voluntary. Okay. So this is about it. Okay. Are you clear about it? Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear about GI tract?
Ma'am, again explain from first, ma'am.
From the first. Actually,
Yes.
time is also very